Look, it's double rainbow now! Wow!
Hello adventurers! The Lake District is a very popular scenic region in England. It's famous for its breathtaking landscapes and stunning lakes. You'll see why you'd want to come here to hike. Today, we'll explore 3 of the best beginner-friendly hikes in the Lake District. I'll also be sharing some helpful tips that you might want to know. So, let's go exploring! For our first hike, we're tackling Hallin Fell. You'll see a lot of fell here. Fell just means mountain. It comes from the Old Norse language, fjall. So the name Hallin Fell is not because Hallin fell. The trail starts right beside Martindale St. Peter's Church. It's a short and steep climb, but the view is breathtaking. Personally, I find this to be the most rewarding hike in the Lake District. It's a very short, easy looping trail for this amazing view. Next, we are climbing one of the most popular trail, Cat Bells. This route is longer and steeper than Hallin Fell. In some parts, you will really have to climb. But you'll get to see this. We got a bit worried when we saw the looming clouds, but that worry turned into awe.
Rainbow!
And just as quickly as it appeared, the double rainbow began to fade. Overall, this route is moderately tough and highly rewarding. It fits all ages and species. There are many ways you can start and end this hike. I've listed down some of the variations in the description below. Also, if you are driving, there's very limited parking here. The nearest parking lot is at Gutherscale Lodge, but as you can see, you'll have to come here before 8 o'clock if you want a spot. Another great place for beginner hiking is Buttermere. The best route here is the Rannerdale Knotts. It's another steep climb, but the steepest parts are lined with rock steps. From the top of Rannerdale Knotts, you'll be treated to a great view of the lake and the distant high peaks. And yeah, it was a very windy day. Alright, now let me share some helpful tips if there's a dark side to the Lake District. Beyond the remarkable mountainside, there's a lot of rain. Statistically, the Lake District sees 200 days of rain per year. Better bring a good hard shell so you can still enjoy yourself even when it does rain. Secondly, always have a plan B. When the weather really goes south, you will need a plan B. Luckily, there are still things you can do even if the weather is not too nice. For example, you can go grab a bite from the best gingerbread in the world. Visit the lovely village of Buttermere, find Sarah Nelson, grab a bite and be your own judge.
It's nice.
A cake biscuit.
Got a ginger
I
cake.
freaking like it. I love it.
It's also a very lovely village for a stroll. You can also just make the best of the rain. The silver lining to big downpours, you can visit the local waterfall and witness a roaring spectacle. Lake District was a beautiful place, very serene, very restful. Well, I hope this video helped you guys, and I wish you guys a happy hiking journey. If you fell in love with this place, you might also enjoy the Fjalls of Iceland. Come check it out!